Hello folks, and welcome to this make of 221B Baker Street. This is the base. It has the raised section for the railing, the doorstop, recess for the wall and door, and tiling, as you can see here. Point out the next part of it. So the next part of it is this lovely 3D printed door with wall and the window light there. On the back, and I'll just show you the back. On the back, there is actually a pop-out section, so you can put some what's the word? Put some clear plastic in there to give that window look, and that just slots back in there nicely. But that also lets you put the lettering on 221B for 221B Baker Street. It has the slot there, and that fits in lovely, just like that. Sits on there nice and tight. And then we come to the railings. They still need a bit of work to clean up, but you know, these are really fine FDM printed, but as you can see, they do print nice. There's some proper nice detailing in there, and they literally will just slot into the slots there, and there we go, that's slotted in, and then it would glue to the wall, and that's that one. And then we've got the same with this one, and it just slots into the slot like that. There we go, nice like that. And again, glue to the wall, and that gives you 221B Baker Street with the railings and the door. And I'll just move along now. So some of the things we've got here, we have a hanger for the lamp. So the lamp, that fits on the top there. Trying to do this blind without being able to see what I'm doing, so that fits on the top there. There is a bottom to it. I'll just see if I can find it among all this detritus. Somewhere is the bottom. What have I done with the bottom? I probably left it out somewhere, but anyway, there is another part to the bottom, but it's there. And if you can see here, we've got if I can get right in. Can I get right in? There we go. Yeah, so we've got a door knocker, which, you know, needs a bit of clean up. You know, so this is all FDM printed. These items were printed at 0.2 mil rather than 0.4, just because of the sheer size of them. They are really quite small. And we've got the doorknob, and we've got the letterbox. But yeah, I wonder what I've done. Oh, there it is. I found one. There we go. So there it is. There's the bottom of that, and that would fit on the bottom of this here. And then all that goes here. So we have the hanger here, lamp, 221B, which is kicking about somewhere. There we go. There's a letter B. I'll just show you. There is a letter B there. Oh, and there's a 221 there. Ah! There we go. So there's the 221, and once that's cleaned up, painted brass, it will fit onto the perspex or whatever that you put behind here. Stick it on. Just normal PVA would do that. I wouldn't recommend super glue on that, because that would cloud your perspex or your plastic or whatever. And then that would finish that off. So obviously we've got a off-white grey marbly type color to this. Pretty much everything here is black except this brass, and then brass for the knocker and the letterbox and the what's that, door handle. I couldn't think of what it was. And then that should finish that off, so stay tuned. I'll keep you updated on my next progress. Thanks for watching.